Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on GMT. On a weekly time frame chart, GMT has already broken out a quite long-term falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, you can see that the price end has rallied very well. First, it broke out this quite long-term resistance of 22 cents. That was previously working as a support here and resistance. And now it is working as a nice support. You can see that after the breakout, the price end has retested this level as a support. And now recently we have broken out another very long-term resistance of 30 cents that was previously working as a support here and resistance here for several weeks a month. And now it can again work as a strong support for the price line of GMT. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. You can see that GMT has broken out the lower bands of this Ichimoku bearish cloud, and now it is struggling to break out the upper bands of this Ichimoku bearish cloud. At the same time, GMT has also formed this very huge inverse head and shoulder pattern as well, and therefore now there is a probability that soon it may break out the resistance of this Ichimoku bearish cloud, and also it can break out this neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. And we will also watch this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for GMT that I shared a few days ago on 18th of March 2024 with my members. And this move has produced almost 60% very massive pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for GMT that I shared a few days ago on 18th of March 2024 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal back move that GMT formed on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that this time the price line moved slightly down than this potential reversals on here, but did not break down this potential reversal zone, recovered back very soon and pumped almost 60%. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that was formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price had nicely moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was almost 12% pump, not 12%, almost 21% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of GMT, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And this was a falling wedge pattern that I've been showing you in my so many previous videos. In fact, when it was quite squeezed, the movement was quite squeezed inside this wedge. In those days, I've been telling you that now there is a very high probability that soon we may break out the resistance of this wedge. And now you can see that after the breakout, the price end has rallied very well. And now it is struggling to break out this downtrend line resistance, a quite long-term downtrend line resistance that GMT found here when it was moving inside this wedge in the month of September 2022. And this is in fact the resistance of a very huge inverse head and shoulder pattern. And now you can see that the price line is moving between the support of 30 cents and the resistance of this, the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. That is the resistance for the price line. Therefore, now there is a probability that the price line soon break this pattern. I'm expecting that it can break out the neckline rather than breaking down the shoulder. And at the same time, you can see that GMT is also trying to break out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. So far, we have broken out this lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and now there is a probability that it may break out these two resistance levels together. One is the resistance of this neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, and the next one is the upper bands resistance of this Ichimoku bearish cloud. And once the price line will be able to break out this Ichimoku bearish cloud and the resistance of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, then target for this breakout will be here. That will be approximately at $1.70. And now if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that technical target is here at the top of the wedge. That is between $4 to $5. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.